What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today you're gonna see something very interesting. My garage. What a mess it is. So hope you guys enjoy. I am going to be showing the next couple of videos on how I'm going to set up my garage for all of this to go up there, and how I'm going to do it, why I'm going to do it, and show you every little thing. I have a bunch of stuff that I wanted to change in here, and it just didn't make sense. I'm going to do it all the right way, the way I want to do it out there. So after I've been in here for quite a few years, 7 years, not to say anything, who's coming, but I want to get this all situated in the garage the right way, set everything up, easy flow and everything. So I'm going to show you what I've gotten done so far. You all know Tim Allen. What I'm about to do, that's what I think of every single time. All spackled. Sarah's wiping down the windows. She's wiping down the counter. Yeah, well, there's a ladder you can use. And basically, tomorrow, I'm gonna start painting. I also grabbed some white caulk to go in between the 2x4s here and stuff, and the cracks, and make this look smooth. So I'll do that after we're done painting, probably, most likely. And then also, I picked up some concrete caulking to go in this floor on this big crack. So that'll be nice, because I'm also painting the floor. So I got a lot to do, but we're not gonna do the floor first. We're gonna do the wall. So I'm excited. Can't wait for tomorrow to get that all done. Got a couple things up there we gotta bring down and just put underneath this table so it's out of the way and we can get around the garage. So exciting. All right, so the painting on the walls is all done. The only thing I have to do is another layer above the garage doors right here. And then I've got the paint now to do this. I've got primer I'm gonna put on here first because pine, like whenever you get to the knots, they bleed through. So the primer will help with that. So I'm gonna paint the underneath and the face of it, and probably not the top because you're not gonna see the top. And then I'm gonna paint it with the white that we have. And I also have paint for this door. So I'm gonna paint this door so it's also white. And yeah, that'll be pretty much it. The painting went well. My neighbor helped me. He owns his own company and he does it for a living, so it was kind of nice to have him. He's showing me tricks and stuff to do. And yeah, it went super fast. We stayed up late that night, so we came early in the morning. He came over, we started painting, and then we also do community. There's 3 households that we do get together, and we cut wood, split wood for heating for a house, for all 3 of our houses. So we do that 3 times a year. We've been doing it, and now we're getting to the point where we're way ahead on wood, so it's really nice. So we did that the rest of the day, and then I made a birthday party. And then that evening we came back and we started painting again, and we stayed up late to finish it all. So yeah, it turned out nice. I am liking it. It is really gonna be nice once everything's in here. So I'm gonna start painting and get that rolling. And then I can start putting stuff, organizing and cleaning, wiping everything down, putting stuff on the shelf that needs to go on the shelf. And I got some other shelves I'm gonna put up. So my goal is to get everything done for in the garage this week. Have it all painted, floor done, and get a hold of the electrician, tell him I'm ready. So we'll see what all happens. And then we can start moving in. I wanted to be in before October 1st, and it's looking like it's not gonna happen, but you never know. I'm not gonna give up. So I'm gonna keep pushing. That's all I can do, one day at a time. That was zoomed in way too much. All right, so where I left off, you can see the color. This is the primer, that's the white. I ran out of white right here. So I'm gonna do all this. I have to cut all this in with the brush. Haven't done that yet, but it's super dark in here. So I ordered some lights also because I am trying to light everything up with the couple lights I have. And it's not enough. On the camera it looks like it is, but trust me, it is not. That is it. I'm all done with the painting. I cut everything in. I got the door done and it is looking sharp in here. So now what I have to do is go through some of this stuff. So most of this is gonna go up there, and I also have some more shelving I got that's gonna go up in this area. So I'm gonna get bins for up there and gonna organize everything so we know where it all is. So I'm super pumped for that. We're gonna clean a lot of the stuff, put it up there, and then I gotta get rid of my table saw and this big table, and it's gonna go to the neighbor's house. He's let me put everything in his shed, thankfully, and I'm gonna start on the floor. So I'm really pumped. I can't wait. I wasn't gonna do the floor. I kept going back and forth, but I'm like looking around. You know, there's spots on the ledge that we didn't tape, you know, and because I was gonna paint the floor, and I'm like, I have it, just do it. And the reason why I didn't want to is because it's gonna take like 4 days for me to do it and can't go on it. So it's just like, it's gonna be like another week, you know, but it's all right. It'll all pay off in the end. It's worth it, you know. The other thing is, I don't know how I'll have time this year, but those garage doors are gonna get painted. I ain't gonna deal with that. So I will have to spray paint those most likely. We'll have to wash them down. We'll see. I don't know if I have time yet this year. We'll see what happens. I'm not gonna worry about that. I'm gonna worry about the floor right now. So this is the update on what's all, you know, what I've done. It's pretty cool. Pretty stoked for all of it. So videos are gonna keep coming. Glad you guys see me again. Bye.